Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions so the bot can join voice and control playback. Once done, open the invite flow and pick the correct server. This ensures Jockie appears where you want it. Make sure to enable permissions for connect, speak, use /commands, and manage roles if prompted. Granting only what's needed minimizes security risk. After authorization, Jockie will join immediately. Listen for the join message so you know it's active and ready to configure. Next, set up where Jockie will operate. Create one voice channel for listening and a text channel for commands. Then adjust role permissions so members can queue songs but bots keep control. This avoids accidental disconnects. Once channels and permissions are in place, use the bot's /settings or dashboard to set default volume, DJ role, and playlist behavior. This prevents conflicts later and keeps playback consistent. If you expect heavy use, limit who can skip or manage playlists to maintain order. Finally, start playback with /play followed by a song or playlist link and check the queue with /queue. These are your core controls. If audio is choppy or Jockie won't join, confirm voice channel permissions, correct voice region and volume levels. Once resolved, use /skip or /stop to manage sessions. If problems persist, restart the bot by kicking and re-inviting it or reconfiguring the DJ role. Quick troubleshooting keeps downtime short. Always verify permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.